As many of you have mentioned, where has time gone? It's really amazing how quickly the course itself went, as well as the DNP coursework. So this is a time where we can really take a step back and celebrate what has happened in this course, and it's been really incredible to see the evolution of the process of really embracing the concepts of population health. And with that being said, we've been charged as nurses to really focus on population health and to be the change in healthcare. And some critical aspects are actually the Triple Aim, the Future of Nursing report, and just in general, the shift in healthcare and how reimbursement is structured really demonstrates the need for effective population health care. So we're really looking at beyond fee-for-service. We're looking at quality-based care delivery, and with that quality comes looking at the continuum of care and really looking beyond the episodic type treatments to look at how we can increase the outcomes and really center on what is important to elevate the health of those that we serve. And with that, we also need to consider the factors that occur outside of different organizations or facilities that impact health. And primarily, health is experienced outside of a healthcare organization. So those are the factors that really, as nurse leaders, you have that acumen to move forward and really make a difference in healthcare. And that's the aim of this particular course. So congratulations to all of you, and I want you on my population health team. As we are closing this course, I really want you to, again, take that step back and really reflect on the journey that we've taken so far and how each and every aspect of the DNP program actually facilitated success in this course, because population health isn't practiced in a silo. It really integrates all the concepts that we've actually covered throughout the DNP program. So I want to thank each and every one of you for your very valuable reflections, how you've looked at the AO&E competencies, and how you've taken a strong look at yourself as well, as far as those strengths that you all embrace, and how I want you to hold on to your strengths and make sure that you use those strengths to move forward in your leadership practice and to truly make a difference in whatever your locus of control may be. And I think many of you have identified that your locus of control has expanded as you have developed your leadership skills and you're seeing your role beyond your immediate environment and how you can impact what goes on around you. And just remember that you are all mentors as well, and that you mentor the future of healthcare. And just kind of keep that in mind. You play a pivotal role in what healthcare looks like in the future. With that being said, I want to thank each and every one of you. This has been an incredible journey, and I have the best job and the best positioning in the DNP program because I get to see and meet you and greet you at the very beginning of the coursework in epidemiology, and then move into ethics, and then I get the last courses. So I get that view of how you all have grown and developed and really refined your leadership practice throughout the program. So also, this is just the beginning. Just know that you have very valuable skills to move forward, but your futures are very, very bright, and what you have is something very special, and be proud of that. and use those skills very wisely as you move forward and as you create your futures that many of you really will have experiences that you never even fathomed. And for that, I'm very excited, and I hope that you share those experiences with me as well. So thank you so much. If I can help any of you in any way as you move forward, let me know, and do keep in touch. Take care now. Bye-bye.